So this is a thermal cutout. Basically, if your heater gets too hot, this senses it. I'll just get the it attaches to the top of the heater like that. So it's always measuring the temperature. If it gets too hot, a strip inside here will open up and it won't conduct electric then. So to test these, you need to be in continuity, which is that sound shape, and it should make a noise when you touch your leads together. So we'll just touch across the two terminals. So we're getting a buzz. So this one's a good one. If it's making no noise, I'd know there's not continuity through it, so your heater will not get hot. This one is a working thermal cutout. And that is all we have to do. If it's making that noise, move on to something else, is a different problem. If it's making no noise, when you connect together, and you know your machine's working, then replace this part.